All right, this market is booming again. I want to say it's been 8 straight days of going up, and it's well over the 4,500 mark. Trying to look for some opportunities. I think the metals and some energy stocks have been ignored. Also, the banks have been on a run with their awesome earnings. So I'm going to look at a couple of those. I'm going to look at Peabody Energy. Um, I haven't traded this in forever. I usually stick with Cleveland Cliffs. Sometimes I'll do FCX. Sometimes I'll do United Steel. But I was looking, and those seem to be very, very close to their price targets, and some of them are over their price targets. So I wanted to find. So I took a look at XME, which is like a ETF for those, and that's even a little bit pricey. So I took a look at some peers, and this is a small cap, which means it's going to have decent premium. It's trading close to this 2150 level, which is a little. It is a decent level, but I don't think it's significant. There's really nothing here showing that it's gonna stay there. What I want to happen is I want this uptrend to continue, and I want it to go around this level, around the 23 area, and I think it could get there pretty easily, at least to 22, because it was at 22 early last week. So I'm thinking it could get right back to that 22 level. So I have two options here. I could do a cash secured put, which is decent premium, or I can put in a buy order at 21.50 and then hope that triggers. What I'm gonna do is so I make sure this triggers is I'm gonna sell the cash secured put. I've done some swing trading earlier this week, and last week was mostly swing trading. So I want to get back into some of the cash secured puts, especially since I haven't traded this name in a while. I want to see how it moves a little bit. And the way you start the wheel is you do the cash secured put. So I'm going to put that in, and I got that fill. And then I want to look at my bank thesis. I have plenty of key bank. Uh, my other favorite bank is Wells Fargo. I did put in, I do have some at 50, and I did put in a swing trade a couple weeks ago for Wells Fargo. Could have been last week. And so I want to lower my cost basis. So again, I have an idea either to do the swing trade at 46, which is a little bit away from that 46, about 7 cents. It'll have to dip below this 1% gain for the day to get in the 46 level. Or I could do just what I did on BTU and sell the cash secured put. It's a little less stringent on the sell because I can change the price here and it'll still give me that 46 level. So let me go ahead and put in the cash secured put for Wells Fargo. And once this goes through, which I think it will, I'll have a cost basis around 47.50 for all my Wells Fargo shares, and then I'll be able to put some cash secured puts on the books. Right now I have the cost basis at 50 for 100 shares, and then I sold a covered call for November. So if I can buy that back, or if that expires, here's my November call at 50, then I could put in two calls at the 47.50 level, which would really help me out, and then it would have some awesome premium at that level. All right, those are my trades for today.